Well, hi there. So now this is the time when I'm really worried about generating sales from this Google Ad account, an account where I am having multiple campaigns running for these products. The idea is to generate sales for Springtails. So here we have different campaigns running. We have one shopping, two search, and one PMAX campaign currently. The account is running for last 2 weeks now, and in last 2 weeks, which is 14 days, we have not generated any single conversion. Initially, when we started the account, it took a while to generate impressions, then again it took a while to generate clicks, and now we are on a stage when the campaigns are there generating impressions and clicks, but people are not converting, people are not purchasing the products, which is something always frustrating for people, frustrating for marketers, but then we don't have an option. When we start the campaigns, initially it takes a while to generate conversions out of it. But we have not spent much. So far, we have spent 2,800 rupees and still looking forward to generate conversions. Now, I have a proper document. This is the conversion campaign optimization deck. This deck helps people to understand what action do they have to take when the campaigns are not performing. Now, if I walk you through this document, it says it has different levels, 7 levels of optimization. Now we have some requirements. Before we even think about optimization of these campaigns, we have to check if campaign conversion code, if account conversion code is added on the thank you page, number one. If campaign has generated 50 to 100 clicks or not. We don't expect sales before campaign gets 100 clicks. And seven, we need to wait for around a week's time. So this is first thing that we have to check for any of the ad accounts. For our campaigns, I can quickly get you into goals and conversions, from where I can show if the campaign tracking is working or not. I have added the thank you page code, which is also called as a conversion tracking code, on the thank you page of the website, of this website, on the checkout page. And now if I show you the different parameters, we have couple of purchase parameters. In fact, couple of conversion parameters. The first one is the purchase parameter. Here you can see we have 0 conversions. Big worry for us. Then we have another conversion action, which is add to cart. So 3 people have added the product to the cart. This shows that the conversion tracking is working fine. And one person has in fact added the product in the checkout, which means the campaign is performing. People are doing the actions, people are adding the products to the cart and the checkout page, but yet no one has made a purchase. So out of 3, one of the parameter is fine. Out of 3 requirements, we are having the conversion code. Conversion tracking is also there. Conversions are working smoothly. Then we really have to check if we have 100 to 50 to 100 clicks and a 1 week of data. So if I quickly get you into the campaigns, where we have 3 type of campaigns, we have almost around 89 clicks from shopping campaign, 2 search campaigns. In total, we have got around 85 clicks from the search campaign, and then PMAX has got maximum clicks, 1542 clicks. Oh my god. So you can see after getting 1700 clicks, we are yet to receive a single conversion. Now, out of 3, yes, our requirements are being passed. So now it's time when we have to look for the optimization. Now level one is an optimization which is needed when the daily budget is not consuming. Which means if the daily budget is not consuming, we have to think about adding more keywords, increasing the bid limit, changing locations, changing mesh types, couple of things. Second one, keywords. When this is something which we have to do when we are not getting sales. So right now we are not getting sales. So we have to look into the second level of optimization. What we can do, we can think about changing keyword match type to phrase or exact match as per the search term report. The key parameter to check when you are not getting conversion is the search term report. Third, in fact, second, remove or pause keywords with irrelevant search terms add relevant keywords, and add some negatives. So these are the changes which are required on the keyword level. By the way, guys, so as of now, as we are getting traffic on the website, we are getting traffic on this online store. The first check that you always do when you are getting on the traffic on the website is about who is coming on the website, or what source, from which source they are coming on the website. If it's a search campaign, what they are typing when they are coming on the website. So let's quickly get through the search campaign. So I want to apply a filter over here with campaign type, so I can filter out the shopping and PMAX campaign. So if I go with campaign type as search, campaign type as search, is something wrong? Oops, 1 second. So I have to choose campaign type, go with search, click on apply. This filters out the other campaigns, and now I'm left with the search campaigns. So here I have two campaigns. First one says ST search generic Sandeep Delhi NCR. Sandeep is the guy who is managing this campaign right now. So now this campaign is actually running only with generic keywords. Second one, on the other hand, is having earrings and necklace keywords. It says earrings underscore necklace. I shall write it earrings and necklace. So here we have two campaigns. Let's go through the first one first. This is the generic campaign. Now the generic campaign is only having one single group, which is a generic group. This group is getting has got 40 clicks by now, and of course no conversion. If I further get into it, most of the keywords are available in the phrase match. These are the match types of the keywords. Now I quickly want to go through the search term, so I have to click over here, get into the search terms of the generic campaign. Okay, now look at the search terms. In fact, before I make you look into the search terms, these are the keywords we have on this search campaign. Costume jewelry online, artificial jewelry, imitation jewelry, online artificial jewelry shopping, costume jewelry. All the keywords are around either artificial or the costume jewelry. And we don't have searches around, in fact, clicks on all the keywords. I guess we might have removed some keywords from the window because we don't have clicks against all the keywords. Yep. So you can see we have removed buy jewelry and artificial jewelry set earlier already, because this buy jewelry keyword was getting very irrelevant search terms. So this buy jewelry keyword has got clicks when people searched anti-tarnish rings for women, customized name locket, diamond look, like something which is totally irrelevant for us. So that's why I had already got these two keywords removed. Buy jewelry and artificial jewelry set. And now we are left with more relevant phrase match keywords. And before I do any optimization, I would like to show you that on this website, we only have artificial jewelry products for two categories. First one is necklace and pendants, where we are currently having more than 8 products. In earrings, we have lesser number of products. We have 3 products currently in the earring section. Now, if I now walk you through the existing keywords, these keywords. So let's go through the first keyword, which is the costume jewelry online. Let's see what searches this keyword has triggered. Now costume jewelry online has shown the ad when someone typed in chain jhumka earrings set combo, jadua jewelry. Oh my god, now look at it. Even though we had costume jewelry online keyword available in phrase match, but looking at the search term will make you understand most of these searches are not relevant with people searching for costume jewelry. Jewelry artificial online, 2-in-1 ring and bracelet, add jewelry, artificial diamond choker set, artificial mata mala. So many relevant keywords are there. If we had, let's say 5% or couple of irrelevant keywords, I could have added couple of negative keywords in it, which we always do. But right now, this the first keyword in the campaign has got irrelevant 6 clicks. Now let's go into the second one, artificial jewelry. For this one, we have got, okay, now this one is very relevant, artificial jewelry. You can see 2 clicks have come from people who have only and only typed artificial jewelry. Here we can go through other search terms as well. Let's say wholesalers. So I can add this wholesale as a keyword in negative because I don't want people to see the ad whenever they are having the word wholesale or wholesaler in the search query, for which I can simply go into campaigns. uh, 1 second, I go to keywords tab. Where do I, okay, here the keywords tab. I go to negative keyword, click on the plus sign. I'm already having a couple of negatives, wholesalers and wholesale. The idea is to block these two terms or block the entire query, entire search term, when the query is having any of these two terms. So going back to campaign, going back to keywords. Okay, now let's look into imitation jewelry. And this one is having a one click, Kushal's jewelry near me. Oh god, then Kabi jewelry. Again, like you can see, imitation jewelry is also not getting relevant searches. Now I can wait to get more clicks from these keywords before I make a change. Or I can think about making a couple of changes. Now, one change which I can of course think about is going through the list of search terms, pick up the irrelevant terms from it, one word or two word, and add it as a negative. Very simple option. Second thing which I can do or think about is changing the keywords from phrase to exact, which are having totally irrelevant terms. Like first one, costume jewelry online, and this imitation jewelry was driving quite a irrelevant terms. So I can simply think about adding it in phrase. Having it in phrase means the ads are going to be visible to the more relevant queries now. Possibly when terms are exactly or similar to these two terms, similar to imitation jewelry. Not the same exactly, even though the word says exact, but now Google has updated the policies. Now the ads will show up in the exact match when the search query is having the similar exact, not similar searches, similar terms, not the exact terms anymore. Anyways, this is it. This seems pretty okay. Now let's quickly get into the another campaign, which is the uh, earrings and necklace campaign for us. This campaign is having two groups. First one is earrings, second one is necklace. Both of the groups are surprisingly getting equal number of clicks, almost equal number of clicks, 19 from necklace, 18 from earrings. Now when somebody clicks on necklace, this is the necklace group. I really have to check the ad copy, by the way. Where are we landing people who are searching in necklace? Okay, so necklace people are going into this artificial necklace pendants page, which is totally fine. Now let's get back to keywords, and the first three are the top keywords for us. Artificial necklace set, let's look into this one. The queries for artificial necklace set. Now artificial necklace set keyword worked when somebody typed in artificial jewelry set. Quite not relevant. That's right. Now look at this first search term. The keyword was artificial necklace set, but the ad was shown when someone typed in artificial jewelry set. In fact, we got 3 clicks from someone who was typing artificial jewelry set, but not the necklace set particularly. Now we really have to think what to do for this one. I have multiple options. One of the option which I'm thinking about is the same, where I can simply change the mesh type of this keyword artificial necklace from phrase to exact, so that this keyword now work on the closer search. That's the first option. I have one more option in my mind. What if I, okay, before I get into that option, let's go through the searches of this keyword as well. Artificial necklace for women. Now, this one is showing ads to people who have typed chain design for women artificial. Oh my god. Polki Kundan choker set. Oh my god. Now look at these searches. Is anyone even typing in artificial necklace for women? No one is even typing artificial necklace. Mangal Sutra, Matra Mala, gold plated Rani Har. choker set, even though the words are somehow similar, but when somebody looks for Mangal Sutra, the person is looking for the real jewelry. Same for Kundan, same for Har, I guess. Gold plated Har. Someone is looking for the actual Har actually. So what do we do? How do we optimize the campaigns? These keywords, in fact. Now, the one easiest way for us could be adding all of these, like changing all of these keywords from phrase to exact match. A very easy option. I don't want to do it right now. I'm thinking of something else. Especially for this keyword, you can see we were getting most of the searches for artificial jewelry set. So rather than adding or changing all of these keywords from phrase to exact, what if I ask you to comment if you have anything in your mind, or what if I go to negative in the keywords tab only and add the term jewelry in negative? I know jewelry is the generic term for us, but I'm adding the word jewelry for the entire campaign in negative. Jewellery and Jewelry. Two spellings are there, one British, second American. Jewelry. Okay. Now, the idea of adding these terms in negative for this category campaign is that when somebody types in jewelry, I don't want to show the ads to him. That's right. You can think it's stupid, but I only want people to see the ad when they are having or when they are typing the exact terms, exact category, not the generic jewelry. Generic jewelry is something which I'm already serving through the generic campaign, and I don't want people to, you know, go through the ads from this campaign when they are having the word jewelry in their queries. That's why I'm totally blocking the word jewelry for the entire campaign, which means now all the campaigns, all the groups of this campaign will also follow the same jewelry negative keyword. Okay, now let's quickly get into earrings. Earrings is having 4 clicks on the artificial earrings. Let's go through the search term of artificial earrings. This is the main keyword for us. So I click on the keyword, click on search terms. Artificial earrings has shown the ad when someone typed in artificial earrings and gold plated earrings. Pretty good, like pretty comparatively, it's quite relevant. Kashmiri, these search terms are also there, but we have not got any click on these search terms. Non-pierced earrings, non-piercing earrings, artificial gold jhumki, crystal butterfly earrings. This seems pretty okay. So now the ads are not gonna show up. Give me a second. What have I added in negative, by the way? I just want to recheck it. I added jewelry. Yep, that's fine. So I don't want people like jewelry terms to show up these campaigns. This is totally fine. I was just getting some confused. If I have added something which is going to totally block the queries of this campaign, but now it's not going to happen. I have made the campaign more relevant. Now, a couple of more things. It's all about going through the assets of this campaign, asset groups. I'm sorry, not the asset groups, but the assets. Here are the assets. Right now, I have good number of assets in the campaign. Okay, this is pretty much looking fine to me. 2 assets are disapproved, so I may have to look into uh, approving these assets. So what if I assign this activity to the person who is managing this campaign? I have a, okay, this is the Google Ads search campaign. Search campaign is, Sandeep is working in the search campaign. I can simply ask him, Sandeep, please check the assets of the campaign. We have 2 disapproved, what? Disapproved image extensions. Okay, now Sandeep will get the notification. He will start working on this asset part. Now I have to further look into the ad copies. I just want to check if the ad copies are fine or not. Just a review of the ad copies. So the ad copies are pretty okay. Ad strength is average. average for generic, average for necklace, good for earrings. I also want Sandeep to work on the ad copy, so I can again go through the search campaign, comment one more thing. I can even create a subtask for him. Let's say I create the subtask this time. Change, increase the ad copies strength. This is done. Cool. So now Sandeep has to look after these ad copies, how to improve these ad copies. I'm really thinking if I have anything else to look into. Yeah, I want to go through a couple of other reports. I want to see the devices for, let's say, for generic campaign. For generic, the ads are showing majorly on mobile devices. This is the option of getting through the mobile devices. This is 44. I also want to, okay, timings is not really necessary for me. For the other campaign, generic earrings and necklace, we are still showing the ads majorly on the mobile devices, which is totally fine. I'm not worried about it. I also wanted to see the age range, by the way. So how do I check the age range of audience who is seeing my ad? Okay, this is the age range and gender available in audiences. So for the generic search campaign, which I can choose from the top, this one is generic search. The ads are shown only to two age range, which is totally fine. When I planned the media plan for this account, this is the media plan. I have decided that the ads will be shown to females 18 to 34. So this is fine. And if I look at gender from the audience only, yes, we are showing the ads to females only, which is also pretty good. Excluded males and unknown. So the audience is pretty okay. The ad copy is okay. Assets have to be improved. Anything else which I have to check? No, everything is smooth. I may have to think about optimizing this website, optimizing all the product pages. I'm still working on these changes, but right now the idea was to show you how you optimize the campaign using different methods. I'll be sharing this sheet somewhere in the description for people who have already joined the training program. And this deck will help you to optimize the campaign at different levels, starting with at the budget level, how you optimize the campaign at the budget level and why you make the changes in the budget. Then keywords, something which you have to change when you are not getting sales, not getting relevant searches. Bidding, when you have to manually control the campaign. Quality score, when you are thinking about increasing the quality of the keywords. Bidding strategy, again trying to control the campaign by yourself. And finally we have the optimization score and auto apply, which I don't recommend people to adopt randomly just to get the score 100. I usually avoid getting or cancel these auto recommendations. Something very important, sometimes on the newly created accounts we have the uh, active auto recommendations. Active auto recommendation means Google will automatically make the changes in your campaign without even letting you know. And this option is available. So first of all, when you create campaigns, you have this optimization score of 70 80, 70 80 40 50, depending on how you have made your campaign or what actions are needed for these campaigns. Sometimes Google apply the auto optimization, which means Google can automatically add keywords in your campaign. Google can automatically change bidding of your keywords. Google can automatically even change any assets of the campaign, can add extensions in the campaign, and you definitely don't want it. At least I don't want Google to manage my campaign by itself. So these recommendations are available in the recommendations tab. This is the recommendation tabs available on the top left, and you have to check this auto apply option. In the auto apply, you can see right now the entire account is not having any recommendation added, which I might have unchecked while after setting up the account. But let's say if I have this option enabled, this means add new keyword option enabled, then Google will automatically add keywords in my ad account. So I really have to disable all the auto optimizations first of all. Then I go to normal recommendations. I'm getting these recommendations again from the recommendations tab. in the cart section, here Google asked me to adopt some recommendations. As of now, the the structured snippet is missing, which is a very good auto optimization, by the way. Google is asking me to add the structured snippets. So what I can do, I can again copy this optimization, ask the Sandeep to add a structured snippet in the campaign. Okay, so this is done. Now I think I'm in a good shape. The campaign shall perform by itself without, it won't perform by itself, by the way. I really have to keep looking into the campaign, keep an eye on the campaign. You as a marketer always need to have a hawk eye on the campaigns. And yep, this is pretty okay. Now I can further think about optimizing the search and the, not search, shopping and the PMAX campaign in the next video. All right then.